step over here with that rake. This is something you guys will never see. I am in shock.
I'm not an outdoor person. You know, when you take care of the entire indoor, you really don't feel like doing any work outdoor.
I appreciate the help very much.
Plus, this kills my shoulder.
I know what you mean.
I mostly want to get it out of the way just so it stops being tracked into my house. I'm very tired of vacuuming and turning around 5 minutes later and going, wow.
Not like it takes long to do, it just sucks when parts of the body hurt.
Thinking about it's worse than doing it. Still better than picking up sticks in the yard from those ash trees before you can mow the lawn. That was a lot of bending.
Yeah, we had 14 dead ash trees out there, and as they were dying every spring, we'd have to go around the yard and pick up hundreds of dead branches. It was crazy, the amount of stuff that was on the ground. And we have our dearest, oldest cat, Sassy Cat, out here with us. She's looking every bit of her 14 years, guys.
She looks pretty good right now.
Yeah, she's having fun right now.
Fresh air and sunshine, I'm telling you.
We just had to upgrade our satellite system. Our old DVR, satellite receiver died the other day, about a week ago. And it's a what did it say? DVR?
Hard drive failure.
Hard drive failure. That sucks. We lost a bunch of stuff we had recorded, but we got to upgrade to the Hopper, which is a way better system, much more recording capability, and a lot of it's better than the old system. Obviously, a few things they removed from the remote control, which kind of sucks because a lot of easy things are not so easy to do now. But
what I notice is when you go to DVR something, they always say the same one. I'm like, how do I choose the bedroom or how to? And I had something set to record, and yours was a higher priority, and it just didn't record mine instead of switching it over. And I'm like, hey.
Yeah, there's a learning curve with it, but it's pretty cool. We only had 200 hours of capable recording before. Now we got 2,000, and we
500.
I thought it's the 2000
2,000 on the H3, that one that he was talking about that does the 16 screen.
But it's better.
It's still 2.5 times what we had.
And we can both be watching something in each room and still record something. So
theoretically, but I still don't see how that is possible. Like I said, we both had something to record at the same time. It wasn't anything important, but I just wanted to see if it worked, and it didn't say that there was a didn't say if there was a conflict, but it didn't record the other one. It didn't kick one of them over to two. Used to be able, we could hit it and it would say which one do you want to record to?
One or two, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Not that one. Hopefully they have a window open. But yeah, so I mean the nice thing about it, I tried to hook the soundbar up with Bluetooth and it's not finding it. No big deal. keep it plugged in. But the nice thing is you can Bluetooth the headphones to the hopper, and you can listen to your programs with the volume off on the TV. Because our TV is so old that it doesn't have Bluetooth.
It has Wi-Fi, but not Bluetooth.
Yeah.
And by old, maybe 6 years old, 7 maybe at the most.
Well, the funny thing was when he called on our DVR, they don't make that one anymore. No kidding, really? It was 11 years old. And if that says anything, I mean, we had it for 11 years and never had an issue.
Well, we got the upgrade for free, which was cool.
And we got all new lines. Because our lines were also 11 years old, so...
I guess this video's a catch up on things, spring cleaning new camera video. And I haven't seen Bright Eyes in 3 nights, guys. That's not good. That's really unusual. And there's an a-hole raccoon out here. I actually had to come out last night because I heard it. It was a one-sided fight. One raccoon was growling and snarling and all that crap, and the other raccoon was crying, and it was like, oh my god, that's horrible. I actually jumped up, grabbed the spotlight, came out here. I didn't see who it was. The security cameras caught who the aggressor was, but I didn't see him actually grab hold of anybody. But you could see that he was sitting there eating. All of a sudden he got real low, staring over here by the river, and he took off in a straight line. And I paid attention to the time because I had my mic outside, and I heard that happen. Just so maybe a pregnant male defending the food. I don't know.
Maybe a male that's defending his territory.
But we never had really any aggression. You guys seen the pushing and shoving before, but that was about it. But this was horrible. It happened 3 times. I'm gonna have to check that camera though. It might have caught some of it last night. At least the audio, maybe.
You look quite happy right now.
And you guys can see out there in the river, the stump. Look how much of it's showing now. So that was completely submerged a week or so ago.
And the water's clear. You can see right down to the bottom again.
I still have not heard anything with the parabolic microphone lately. Pretty weird. Not even coyotes, nothing but the raccoons. Got some really cool background video to use for an audio recording if I ever get one. Still not even 50 degrees out yet, but man, it sure feels awesome. It's about 48, I think.
Doesn't matter, the sun's shining.
But the last few days it's just been insane. Insanely horrible, windy, and mid-30s. No, my phone says it's actually 50.
And snow. Don't forget the snow.
Yeah, we had snow. You'll be seeing that. I got one of my cameras looking at the river, taking about 8 pictures every day since March 23rd, I think I started. The last part of it is done now. So I think I got about 30 days of time lapse. So you can see the crappy weather we've had over the last 30 days or so.
And we had to go refill the propane yet again. Hopefully, and we mean it this time, this is the last time. And propane shot up since the last time we got it.
Yeah, the spring cleaning is rough on us, guys. We had a good friend of mine, Bud. His name was Don Bud, but everybody called him Bud. If I can find her picture real quick, I'll throw it in here and show you. But he loved coming up here. The first time he came up hunting, he walked in the door. He's like, "A cabin? What kind of hunting cabin is this?" Because we were sitting there watching TV. We had good heat and all that crap. Well, he ended up falling in love with coming up here, and he wanted to buy a cabin here, and they were even then too expensive for somebody like him. So he said, "How much would it cost you guys to put an addition on this place? Give me a bedroom." We figured it out, and he's like, "I can do that." So the reason my cabin house looks the way it does now, vinyl sided, new windows, and this addition was due to Bud. He paid for all of it, the roof, everything. And he just loved it here. So he had his own key, he had his own bedroom, he could come anytime he wanted. So
Yep.
absolutely a fair trade for us. But this spring cleaning, what we're doing right here, right now, would have already been done.
Oh God, yeah. The grass would have already been cut. What are you talking about?
He passed away, had to been 8 years, 10 years now, I'm not even sure. Things like that.
More than that. It was 2009, 2010.
We were living here, so
Yeah.
But anyways, unfortunately too, he frickin' went to the restaurant for breakfast downstate and fell in the parking lot and hit his head. Like, what a horrible thing to have happen to such a nice guy.
We're really not sure. He may have had like an aneurysm that caused him to fall.
Yeah, that's true. They don't know 100%.
Yeah.
So now you can see that cat.
There's a Seriously, you just don't pay attention to anybody, do ya? You just swallowed me with. Oh, God!
You worry about your pile over there.
I'm not doing anything else. I'm done. My shoulder has said no. No more. My shoulder said, you got work to do tomorrow. That particular movement is not good for me.
It was sunny earlier. Kind of went away.
I said,
I'll go back in.
ready to go back in, Pussycat? Ready to go back in, Pussycat?
If the cat said she had enough of this. We just thought we'd get you guys an update on what's going on around here. Hasn't been even close to nice enough for a bonfire at night. As nice as it is right now, it's supposed to rain starting this evening and all day tomorrow, or most of the day tomorrow. So, yes, Mr. Shelby, I got you.